Hi friends, how are you? Welcome to my Dream You channel. Now I am going to tell you about Whirlpool 300 liters frost-free triple door refrigerator. First, we'll talk about the features. The key features are capacity 300 liters, good for families of 3 to 5 members. Compressor type rotary, defrosting type frost-free, auto fridge defrost to stop ice buildup. Specifications. Generally in the box we get refrigerator unit, manual and warranty card. Type triple door refrigerator type top freezer refrigerator. Compressor type rotary. Number of doors 3. And coming to the warranty, it has 1 year on product and 10 years on compressor. Cost price 29,990 rupees only. To order this refrigerator, please find the link in the below description, and to get more interesting videos, don't forget to subscribe my Dream You channel. Do like, share and comment below. Thank you. Keep smiling. Bye bye.